these guys. Good morning, everyone. I'm Captain Kutzian with the Lincoln Police Department. Today, I appreciate you guys all coming down here today. We'd like to provide an update regarding the crash at 52nd and O Street that occurred back on Sunday, May 29th. With us today is Chief Ewens, Assistant Chief Brian Jackson, Assistant Chief Jason Stilley, Assistant Chief Michonne Morrow, and Captain Mady McGuire. Chief, the floor is yours.
Thank you guys for being here. On Sunday, May 29th, 2022 at 10:47 p.m., a black Ford Taurus operated by Kyvell Stark and sole occupant was traveling westbound on O Street when it struck a white Toyota Corolla driven by Emily Siebenor and Edith Hermoso. As a passenger, Miss Siebenor was eastbound on O Street when turning northbound onto 52nd Street. The front end of Mr. Stark's vehicle struck the passenger side of Miss Siebenor's vehicle. After the initial impact, both vehicles left the roadway and continued over to the north side sidewalk west of the intersection area, striking multiple bystanders who gathered to observe an event where vehicles traveled along O Street over the Memorial Day weekend. The driver of the Toyota Corolla, 20-year-old Emily Siebenor, and her passenger, 22-year-old Edith Hermoso, both succumbed to their injuries and were pronounced deceased at the scene. 20 bystanders sought medical care as a result of the crash, 2 of which remain hospitalized. In the days that followed this tragic incident, the Lincoln Police Department crash investigators analyzed evidence, interviewed witnesses, and were able to determine the circumstances that caused this collision. Electronic data collected from Stark's vehicle showed the vehicle was traveling close to 90 miles per hour, moments before the collision. Upon the officer's arrival at the scene and contacting Mr. Stark, officers suspected he was impaired due to possible drugs or alcohol. It was determined that Mr. Stark was under the influence of marijuana. This morning, 18-year-old Kyvell Stark turned himself in to the Lancaster County Jail and our investigator. He was lodged for 2 counts of manslaughter and 2 counts of driving under the influence with serious bodily injury. The Lincoln Police Department continues to extend its condolences to the families and friends of the 2 young lives taken from this community and asks the public to respect their privacy as they grieve the loss of their loved ones. Unfortunately, we couldn't have our investigator here to answer any questions in regards to the investigation. Right now, he's with the families that were injured that are still remain in the hospital. But I'll try to answer any questions that you might have.
How do we spell the driver's name, the 18-year-old?
Kyvell is his first name, Stark, Stark.
What is the condition of the 2 injured bystanders who are still in the hospital?
I don't have that right now.
And how did you guys determine that Stark was under the influence of marijuana? Obviously, it stays in the system a while, so how did you come to that conclusion?
So first there's testing at the scene through our DRE, drug recognition evaluation. We have many officers that are trained in this to detect drugs, alcohol, but then there is a mandatory blood draw or a urine sample, and that gets tested as well.
With the alcohol, you have a certain level. Can you say what the level was of marijuana in his blood system?
I can't say right now.
And do you know what they were doing, what Mr. Stark was doing just prior to the accident? Was he driving up and down O Street, or was he coming from one point to another point?
That's part of the investigation. Right now we don't know. We still are looking at video and trying to figure out exactly where he came from. And that's part of the entire investigation.
Considering there are several other people who are injured, could other charges come?
Yes. We'll be working with the county attorney in regards to that.
What were you able to find in Mr. Stark's car? Anything, any marijuana, any other types of things that he had inside of his car?
Right now, I can't provide that.
Was he alone at the time of the crash?
Yes, he was.
Okay.
He was the sole occupant.
You said he was going 90 moments before the crash. Is there any indication that he just didn't see the other car, or did he make any effort to slow it down, or how how soon before the crash was he going 90?
The 90 is the car data is really what determines at different points that you're talking about. Upon impact, I don't know what his speed was. Don't know if he was braking at the time. It again is part of the investigation. But no matter what, when you're impaired, your reflexes and taking action to stop is slowed.
What happens from here as far as the investigation?
Working with the county attorney, seeing if there's additional charges, because the investigation is ongoing. I mean, if there are witnesses, obviously we want them to come forward. There are a lot of people that were out that day, and we really want to make sure that people come forward and tell us what they saw. It's all part of this. It is a long investigation, and there's a lot of different elements to it.
Last week you mentioned kind of taking steps to prevent future tragedy like this. Have you guys come up with, I guess, specific steps that you want to take to prevent another one of these incidents from happening?
We have to look at all sides of it. This has been a historical event. We don't want to stop people from having their event, but we need to make sure it's safe. Through time, people have been injured, and so we need to look at that. If it means for the event itself reconfiguring the street, then we're going to do that. We've been doing enforcement on O Street for a period of time because of the complaints from the public, but really people need to slow down. They need to slow down. We have issues in general in regards to collisions in Lincoln. And so how are we going to address that? And the city is very serious about addressing it and really getting down to a better plan, whether it's re-engineering streets or additional enforcement, additional education. It sounds simple, but it's actually a little more difficult to do.
You kind of referenced it there, after decades of enforcement, education, obviously it's still kind of a problem. Is there anything radically different that you guys are hoping to try in the next year or so to make sure that this isn't repeated?
Actually, what I said was the event has been long standing in the community. I didn't say education and enforcement has been. So,
But it has.
well, there's portions of it. So let's be honest. COVID was a huge hit for us. The loss of our officers, our numbers being down, our traffic division had to go back to the streets. And so, when we talk about specific enforcement, then it gets cut.